Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo plants a small sunflower seed in a patch of soil in the backyard. The tiny seed disappears beneath the dirt. Without care, the seed may never grow. A new word becomes important: nurture. Nurture means caring for something so it can grow. Leaving the plant alone would dry the soil. Timo waters the soil gently and makes sure the seed gets sunlight. Days pass as he continues watering and caring for the plant. A tall sunflower grows, opening bright yellow petals. Timo remembers that to nurture something means caring for it so it can grow, and he knows that patience and attention will help him face future adventures.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.